Today we're in Regents Green, an exclusive and private cul-de-sac estate situated in the highly desirable North Leamington Spa. These properties were constructed in 2018 by Spitfire, the premier builders, inspired by John Nash, the father of Regency architecture, finished with beautiful balconies and verandas, designed with symmetrical frontages and aesthetics, synonymous with properties of that period. Come inside number 26 and see what this property has to offer. On the ground floor, there is an entrance hall with a two-piece cloakroom, communications cupboard, utility room, understairs storage cupboard, large open plan kitchen dining room, quartz work surfaces in the kitchen with integrated Siemens appliances including double oven, fridge freezer, microwave, dishwasher and ceramic hob with concealed extractor hood. There is underfloor heating on the ground floor. From the entrance hall there is also an internal entrance into the garage. The central bespoke staircase is a particularly beautiful feature with a glazed balustrade. On the first floor there is a landing with doors leading through to 2 bedrooms, a family bathroom and a large living room with double French doors and glazed Juliet balconies overlooking the front elevation. On the second floor, there are 3 further double bedrooms, 2 of which have en-suites and a family bathroom. To the front of the property, there is a driveway that can provide parking for 3 vehicles leading to a garage that has a charging point for an electric vehicle. To the rear of the property, there is an enclosed lawned rear garden with a patio and sun terrace. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tour. If you have any questions, if you'd like more information or to book a viewing, you can contact me on the information that will follow. Have a great day.